Now, as you guys can tell, I like this pendulum stick and sword drill. I had to get a longer broomstick this time, and it always helps to know if you have one marked where the is going to be representing your tip of your blade, your sword blade, for the broomstick or whatever you use. And you always got to be careful when you're doing this kind of exercise, because you don't know where that stick's going to land, if it's going to go horizontal or vertical. Some people, I would recommend beginners use goggles. You don't want to get your eye poked out. But go faster and faster. It'll turn like a helicopter or a old airplane blade propeller. And I try to just go back different directions. It's always a fun exercise to do, because what you want to do is to see where your targeting is, where your blocking is. I try to stay in the same place where I train at, but you could put it to stick up in a tree or outside, anywhere. All right, you guys.